At the last video we already see about the time adjust parameter in retime, and in this video I will talking about the other mode in retime. First mode is the presyl mode, but first I will highlight the line which is use the start to seal, seal and seal to end mode, and I will delete the effect. This will make this line no longer the template for karaoke template, and I will add new line that is template seal and use seal mode and has seal with dash and greater than or a row, just say this a row to make it simple. And so the line that's generated with the retime seal mode will has this seal and arrow, and I'm also will create new line which is also the template seal and use the presyl mode. So the line generated will has presyl and arrow, and then I will apply, and you can see now if you pay attention in the duration, its presyl has 0 duration. You can see that because the start time and end time always same, and the value is the start time of syllable. I mean, you can see the start time. Well, let's see for hey. So for start time and end time is same with the start time of the syllable. You can see for word hey, low for seal, low word for presyl 1 second and 1 second 80, and for seal 1 second 80 at the start time. So that is the retime presyl mode. And the other mode is postsyl. This is just like the presyl, but it will change the start time and end time based on the end time of the syllable. So if I apply, and you can see now for each postsyl also has 0 duration because that has same start time and end time, but the time of start time and end time is same like the syllable end time. So you can see I mean, pay attention with the start time and end time of postsyl and end time of the seal. And just to make an example, so wait, so I will delete the two line in here and change back the effect with template seal, and for now I will use modifier no blank. So for the start to seal, seal and seal to end. So if I apply that, and you can see the effect just like the previous video where it has fit and it out, yeah. And for now I will create new variable which is the start factor, start factor, and this is just like if I show you, well, if I show you, that is just the wait, just the start, not like that. I will paste it, and here so you can see this is the start. So I will use that to make an effect. Well, the star fall and hit the syllable, and after this syllable at the end position, it will create new smaller star. So now I will paste new line, which is use the presyl, and you can see I use the start adjust, and I just shift that backward and move that from the syllable left, between syllable left and syllable right. It will choose random value from that range, and it will come from the top to the center and the Y middle of the position. This is actually the position of the syllable, and I will transform also the star along with the Z axis, and you choose the random value between 20, 180 and 4800 and print the star. So if I save that and if I apply, and you can see that now will has star which is fall, and when the star hit the syllable, the star will gone. And in here I will also add postsyl, which is loop 5 times, and the presyl before has modifier no blank and no text, and this is has no text and loop 5 times. And for postsyl, it will move from the center of the and the middle of the syllable. It will move to the random position between the left of syllable until the right of the syllable, and go to the bottom of the video. This is just the variable we defined it in here. Maybe if you remember the previous video. And where is that? And yeah, I will print the star, and just to scale that with half. So if I apply that, and you can see if I the video, when the big star fall and hit the syllable will scale up and scale down, and when the end of the scaling, the smaller star will appear and move to the position which is random. So that is the example about using the presyl and postsyl.